In a silent room, the lines begin to breathe. Sketches on the floor, chasing what I see. Hands full of doubt, heart full of fire. Every curve I draw pulls me a little higher. I shape the weight, I feel the ground. Every step before it makes a sound. Chunky sandal on my mind, built from precious steel and time. Heavy steps, but dreams that fly. Carved in vision, warm with midnight lights on a 3D screen, turning rough ideas into something clean. Rubber soles and leather skin, every failure teaches how to win. From raw material to shape and soul, I'm not just making shoes, I'm making gold. Chunky sandal on my mind, born in grit, refined by time. Every scar, every line tells a story in If they ask me why I stay, I build my future step by